This is the kit lens that came with my Canon R8, the Canon RF 24 to 50 mm f4.5 to 6.3 IS SCM lens. The lens feels very plasticky. It is a zoom lens with focal range of 24 to 50 mm. You can zoom in and zoom out. This lens feels very light and compact. It has autofocus and manual focus. It also has image stabilization. Since I got this lens, I've not used it. I'll be testing this lens in terms of image quality for both photos and videos, background separation, and autofocus. So let me know in the comments if you have used this lens and what are your thoughts. I will see you on the next video.